Hello friends, this is the third part of our analytical reasoning series. We had done four set of questions in our earlier two parts. Now we will again complete two set of questions in this part as well. I hope you are now getting familiar with these type of questions in which we are making tables based on the conditions given to us and solving the set of questions given to us. So let's move on to the fifth question in the series. First says six picture cards A, B, C, D, E and F are printed in six different colored ink: blue, red, green, grey, yellow and brown. The picture were of king, princess, queen, palace, joker and prince. The picture of palace was in blue color but it was not printed on card D. Card A, which was bearing Queen's picture printed in brown ink, was at the extreme right. The picture of Princess was neither on card D nor on E and was not printed in either green or yellow ink. Card C has had picture of King printed in grey and it was fifth from right and next to card B having picture of Prince. So you can quickly go through the set of conditions which we have over here. Now let's come on to the first question. If the princess card is between the cards of the palace and prince, then at which number the joker card is placed from left? Now for the solution, let's come to the solution of these set of questions. Now here are all the cards which we have: A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the colors which we are having, and these are the picture which is given in the conditions to us. So according to the condition we have to fill the table over here. So A is of brown color and contains the pick of queen. B is this prince and so on. You can study the chart carefully, and this is all based on the conditions given to us. Also here in the we have been given the setting order from 1 to 6. So first is the queen, we don't know 2 and 3, fourth is prince and 5 is king. This is all based on the conditions provided to us. So I would again request you to write down the conditions in the rough, and then you can fill the table very easily. Now let's come to the solution of the first question. If princess card is between the cards of palace and prince, then the order of placements of all the cards would be given as below. So uh, we have found all the order over here since the condition is given in the first question. Hence jack would be the first from left, so jack is our answer. Now let's come to the second question. Which of the following combinations of card and color is true for picture of princess? Now from the table we know that princess card F is of red color, so our answer is B. Let's come to the third question. In which color was the picture of joker printed? So picture of joker is here, and it can be either green or yellow. So our answer is A, green or yellow color. Let's come to the fourth and the last question for the set. Picture of palace was printed on which of the following cards? So picture of palace is printed on E. So E is our answer. So this is all about filling the table properly, carefully, and you can come to the answer very easily. Let's come to the sixth question. The six chapters in a printed textbook are inadvertently bound together in the wrong order by a bookbinder. As a result of error, the following situation exists. Any two chapters which ordinarily would be adjacent are no longer so. Exactly one of the chapters is currently occupying its correct position in the text. Chapter 1 occurs after chapter 6 and exactly one other chapter separates them. Chapter 4 is not last. Chapter 5 occurs before chapter 7. So these are the set of conditions which we have been provided. We will follow the similar procedure, so would request you to quickly write these conditions in a rough sheet of paper. By the condition given to us of we can make four possible orders. These are the four possible orders based on the condition given to us. Now all the four arrangements follow all the conditions except one, that exactly one of the chapters is currently occupying its current position in the text. Now in arrangement 1, 2 chapters 3 and 5 occupy their correct positions, hence is an invalid arrangement. In arrangement 2, only chapter 5 occupies its correct position, hence is a valid order. In arrangement 3, chapter 2 and 4 occupy the correct positions and hence is an invalid order. In arrangement 4, only chapter 2 occupies its correct position and hence is a valid order. Therefore, we obtain final two possible orders as 364152 and 524631. So these are the two possible orders based on the conditions given to us. So our answers to the questions will be based on these two possible orders. Let's come to the first question. Which of the following must be false? Now, it is clear from the above two arrangements that option E, that occurs 3, that chapter 3 occurs last, is definitely false. So 3 doesn't occur last, and the first question says in E part chapter 3 occurs last, but we don't have any chapter 3 in the last place, so this is our answer. Let's come to the second question. Which chapter cannot occur among the last 3 chapters? So these are our options. Let's check out. We are given 1, 5, 6, 4, but there is no 4 in the last 3 options, so 4 is our answer. Third question, which chapter might be in their original position? From the two orders, it is clear that in arrangement 1, chapter 5 is in its correct position, and in arrangement 2, chapter 2 is in its correct position. So this is our answer. The last question for the set, which of the following could possibly be true? Chapter 6 comes after chapter 2, chapter 4 comes after chapter 5, chapter 6 comes after chapter 4. Now let's look at the possibilities over here. All the 3 options are possible because 6 can come before 4 or after 4, and chapter 6 comes after 2 also, so it can come after 2 also, so all three conditions are valid. So this was another 2 set of questions in this video. We will continue the series. Thank you.